If you love me, then be my Valentine.
And on this romantic day, the sounds of the Rockies chorus sent about a dozen quartets all throughout the metro area delivering these singing messages. Each recipient got a card, a small box of chocolate, a flower, and a traditional love song. The Singing Valentines are a fundraiser for a special trip.
The chorus was invited to go sing in Normandy, France for the 75th anniversary of D-Day. So our big fundraiser right now is to make sure we can get as many guys across the seas as we can to represent the chorus there.
Yeah, let's hope that happens. Sound of the Rockies will be heading to France the beginning of June.